today and welcome to Let's Cook It. In today's episode, I was going to show you how to make pasta dough, but because it happened like near the Valentine's Day, so I'm going to make the pasta dough and continue on, and we're going to show you how to make a special meal for your loved one, and it's going to be ravioli stuffed with ricotta cheese, a heart shape, and it's going to be amazing meal for your loved one. So first, let's start with the dough here. 1.5 cup 00 flour, 2 eggs, little bit salt, and I'm going to add some tomato paste. We're going to color our pasta dough, and of course a little touch of olive oil. Anytime you make Italian dish, you're gonna add this little touch of olive oil. It's a blessing. So everything here. Now let's start. Perfect. Voila. Let's take the rest. You can see it. It feels like a Play-Doh. Lovely, beautiful one. Nice. Now we're gonna rest it about like 20 minutes to half an hour. So let's put it here, and we'll cover it up, and we'll work on the filling. Perfect. Now for the filling, I have the ricotta cheese, and I put it in one of these strainer here, the fine one, the fine hole, and it was in the fridge for a couple of hours because I was trying to get rid of as much water as I can from it. And I have here some chopped spinach, and of course a little salt, nutmeg, and a fresh grated Romano cheese. Now you're gonna mix it very well. Perfect, that's how it's gonna look like. Now you can use the dough roller, or if you have one of these pasta machine. I'm gonna bring the dough here, little flour. Perfecto. Now let's slice the dough to a few pieces. Voila. We're gonna roll the dough. Just a little flour. Now we're gonna make it thinner, so we're gonna go to number 3. You keep doing this till you go to number 5 or 6, the thinnest you want. Perfect. Now we'll go to number 5. Voila, look how thin it is now. Beautiful, that's what we're looking for. Now let's work on it. Let's put the machine on the side. And what I need here, just to cut it in half. Have it 2 layers. Now I want to put the filling in. So in the middle, it's about half a tablespoon. It depends how big the ravioli you're making. You can make it smaller, bigger, doesn't matter. It's up to you. And let me make it a little flatter. And what I need here, a water. And I'm gonna brush all the edges with water, so that way when we put the other sheet, it will seal, it won't open up when we boil it. Now let's bring the other sheet, put it on top, and make sure no air bubble in between. Lovely. Now go around it, press a little bit around it. I'm using here the cookie cutter. It's a heart shape cookie cutter. Make sure the filling right in the middle, and you give it a nice push. the heart-shaped ravioli. And all the leftover, you just cover it up again. You roll it, you cover it up, and you put it back in the fridge, and you can use it later on or tomorrow, or you can store it in the freezer. You use it some other time. Now you bring your water to boil, and of course salt. For the fresh ravioli, 1.5 to 2 minute maximum boiling. Lovely, look at this. Tomato sauce, and I'm gonna put some spinach and the pasta thyme. Little basil on the edge. And I have here some Gouda cheese, tricolor Gouda cheese. Look at that beautiful color. Let's give a try. Yummy. Wow. It's al dente pasta and heart-shaped stuff with the ricotta cheese and spinach. It's tasty, amazing. So this is a good meal for your loved one to make on a Valentine's Day, and all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.